Shoulder surfing and dumpster diving. Shoulder surfing is a simple attack that involves observing or literally looking over a target's shoulder to gain valuable information, such as pins, access codes, or credit card details. Criminals do not always have to be near their victim to shoulder surf. They can use binoculars or security cameras to obtain this information. This is one reason why an ATM screen can only be viewed at certain angles. These types of safeguards make shoulder surfing much more difficult. Dumpster diving. You may have heard the phrase, "One man's trash is another man's treasure." Nowhere is this more true than in the world of dumpster diving. The process of going through a target's trash to see what information has been thrown out. This is why documents containing sensitive information should be shredded or stored in burned bags until they're destroyed by fire after a certain period of time.